Welcome to the 2017-2018 school year. The third grade team is very excited to begin a new year of learning with your child. We would like to present to you a snapshot of your child's journey as they explore the third grade curriculum. We will start with language arts. We employ a balanced approach to reading and writing instruction. Some of the areas covered under the language arts umbrella are guided reading, shared reading, and foundations. Reading is the cornerstone of our curriculum. Students are assessed in the beginning of the year using Fontes and Pinnell. This allows us to evaluate fluency, accuracy, and comprehension skills. In turn, this drives our instruction as well as differentiates student learning. During guided reading time, students read with a teacher in small groups based upon their reading needs. While small groups are meeting, the rest of the students will be working on independent, daily 5 tasks in the areas of read to self, read to someone, writing, word work, listen to reading, and math. Nightly assignments will be given to reinforce skills that are being taught in small groups. Shared reading is taught through whole class instruction. It is a time to gather on the carpet and discuss literature and share ideas while building the classroom community. The teacher will read aloud a trade book, and during reading, the teacher models thinking skills and reading strategies. The focus of instruction is to build comprehension, draw awareness to accuracy and fluency, and to expand on students' vocabulary. Writing is also incorporated at this time. Students have the opportunity to respond to literature in writing with the focus on using textual evidence to support answers. Another part of our language arts curriculum is Foundations. Foundations is an interactive program that directly teaches encoding and decoding words through modeling and active learning. Students are taught to blend and segment sounds using finger tapping. This program focuses on word patterns and spelling strategies. It is not based on memorization of words. Students will be given a list on Monday that correlate with the skills being taught in class. Some of these words will be on the checkup on Friday, but other words will be added to assess student application of the strategies being taught. Daily homework will be given to reinforce instruction. In the beginning of the year, we establish a writing community where the students hear and discuss examples of different types of writing from professional authors, apply various pre-writing techniques, and complete quick writes, which develops writing stamina. The teacher will model the 5 stages of the writing process. Then the students will apply these techniques in their own writing. The children are exposed to the following genres of writing: narrative, expository, and persuasive. During the personal narrative study, students write about significant topics and events from their lives. The students also explore fiction writing, where they learn how to integrate the elements of character, setting, and plot into their own stories. During the expository unit, the teacher models research skills such as note-taking, organizing information, and the features of expository text. The teacher also demonstrates interesting ways to communicate informational text. Students will explore information about animals and select an animal to research. During the persuasive writing unit, teachers model while students read and write essays defending particular opinions. At the end of the unit, the students will be able to write a 3 to 5 paragraph essay supporting their opinions with proper reasoning. We will begin this journey by focusing on writing a complete sentence, which leads into a paragraph that will include a topic sentence, several supporting sentences, and finally a concluding sentence. This process will be modeled, and students will be given ample time to practice and strengthen their writing through peer and teacher conferencing. As we move along through the year, students will be able to expand their writing. Students are able to demonstrate knowledge of this process at their own pace. At the end of each unit, students are given a chance to self-assess their piece utilizing a 3rd grade writing rubric appropriate for each genre. Grammar is also an important part of the 3rd grade curriculum. Students are exposed to parts of speech, capitalization, punctuation, word choice, as well as subject-verb agreement. Students are introduced to grammar rules and are given a chance to practice application across the curriculum. We use the Pearson program to teach our math curriculum. This is the same program that students are familiar with from first and second grade. Students are expected to be familiar with the Pearson website and utilize the tools available. With each math lesson, students are introduced to new concepts and are given time to practice these new skills utilizing small group work and through individual practice. This program encourages differentiation within each lesson, development of math concepts, critical thinking, reasoning, and problem-solving skills. In third grade, students will be asked to solve more word problems in which they will be expected to read and interpret what the problem is asking them to do. In addition to Pearson, basic math skills are also enforced through Rocket Math Otter Creek. Students are expected to practice math facts nightly to help in automaticity within their level. Students will be assessed daily at their individual levels. Math concepts taught will be reinforced in the classroom as well as through daily homework. Students are required to take a nightly quiz in order to differentiate their individual homework assignments. Some topics we will cover in social studies are government, American history, economics, and math skills. We will also be covering the great state of New Jersey. In science this year, we will utilize Teachers Curriculum Institute, the TCI program, which is an interactive science curriculum that provides lessons and investigations that are in line with the next generation science standards. The 4 units include environments and living things, forces and motion, weather and climate, and life cycles and traits. In closing, homework is posted online. Please have your child check it daily for assignments and reminders. And finally, if you have any questions about this presentation, please do not hesitate to contact your child's homeroom teacher. Just a friendly reminder to check the third grade site for daily assignments and news.